Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I will show you my restoration of Minchiate Francois de Poilly. This is the box. You can see it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Let's see the card. I'll show you two. This is the original 97 card, and this is expanded 21 card. Let's see this first. You can see it's have very beautiful. You can see it's very beautiful. Love. You can see the painting. Bahus. Prudence. This is charity, justice, different with TDM. You see the force, different with Tarotevive. Yes, it's very beautiful. Here, the Fortuny, the Heal, smell, touch. Oh, this is smell. This is hearing. This is the view. 4 element: fire, earth, water, and air. Yes. Wow, very beautiful. Lion, twins, Mars. Wow, very beautiful. My favorite 2 card. Very beautiful. It's left here. The Monday. Oh. The minor card is French suited. You can see the spade faces the same direction. Beautiful. America. See, this is expanded 21 card. Different order from 97 version. I will as a gift for you. This will as a gift for you. You can see the different. Yes, here. You can see. Let's see. Both of them are beautiful. Very nice. Here, you can see here, and the color, background color is beautiful. You can see this is too. So we can two. This too. You can order. This is a gift. This is the original version. Thank you. Thank you, see my channel, the preview. Thank you, goodbye.